In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overwrite DNS in HostPapa for a domain you own on GoDaddy. This process will involve navigating through both the GoDaddy and HostPapa dashboards, so let's get started and make sure you have a seamless transition of your DNS settings. First, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website at godaddy.com. Once you're on their homepage, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Products. This will take you to a page listing all the domains and services you have with GoDaddy. Now, locate the domain you want to change the DNS settings for. Scroll down to the Name Servers section. This is where the critical change happens. Here, you'll see an option to change. Click on that. Next, instead of using the default settings, opt for Enter My Own Name Servers Advanced. Although this sounds complicated, don't worry. All we're doing is switching to HostPapa's DNS settings. Enter the default name servers provided by HostPapa. At this stage, it's crucial to ensure that you've got these details right. If unsure, you might want to double check with HostPapa directly or consult your welcome email for the correct settings. Once you've entered the new name servers, make sure you click Save or Confirm to apply your changes. These changes may not go into effect immediately. Sometimes it might take a few hours or even up to 24 hours for the DNS propagation to complete. With GoDaddy taken care of, head over to your HostPapa dashboard at hostpapa.com/dashboard/. Log in with your email and password, which you should have set up when you registered with HostPapa. Once logged in, navigate to My cPanel. You'll see a button labeled Go to cPanel. Click on that. Inside the cPanel, scroll down until you find the Zone Editor. This is where you'll manage various DNS settings. Find the domain whose DNS you've just switched over. Click Manage to edit the DNS records such as A records, Cname, and MX records as necessary. For example, an A record is typically used to point your domain to a hosting IP address, while a Cname is useful for connecting subdomains like www. Similarly, MX records are crucial for email setup. Once you've made the changes you need, let's say you updated an A record with a HostPapa IP or adjusted a name to point to www, remember that after each change, you must click Save Record. Skipping this would result in incomplete setups, causing unwanted disruptions. Now your GoDaddy domain should be primarily utilizing HostPapa's DNS settings. Keep in mind DNS changes might take a while to fully propagate across the internet, so a bit of patience is sometimes required. However, once propagation is complete, your domain will effectively use the new settings, ensuring everything is in working order. And that's how you successfully overwrite DNS in HostPapa for a domain you have on GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.